In this video, I'll guide you through how to bulk delete completed tasks in Microsoft To Do. If your completed section has gotten a bit out of control and you want to clean things up quickly, this process will help you clear many items at once without having to delete them one by one. First, open Microsoft To Do and navigate to the specific list that contains the tasks you want to remove. This might be a personal list, a work list, or any custom list you've created. It's important that you're in the correct list because the steps we're about to follow will only affect the tasks within this single list, not across all of To Do. Once you're in the right list, scroll all the way down to the bottom of your tasks. By default, Microsoft To Do keeps your completed tasks hidden under a collapsed section, so you'll need to reveal them. Look for the header labeled completed. Click on this completed header to expand it. As soon as you do, you should see all of the tasks that you've marked as done in this list. Now, to set up a bulk selection, start by clicking the very first task in the completed section. This step is important because it defines the beginning of the range you're going to select. Make sure you actually click on the task itself, not just the check mark or any icon around it so that it becomes highlighted. Next, you're going to select all the completed tasks between that first task and the last one in the list. To do this, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. While keeping Shift pressed, scroll to the very bottom of your completed tasks and click on the last task in that completed list. When you click, every task from the first one you selected to this last one should now be highlighted. This Shift-click method is a common shortcut for selecting a continuous range of items, and it works here to grab a large group of tasks in one go. Take a moment to visually confirm that the correct tasks are highlighted. Everything between your first and last click should appear selected. If something doesn't look right, you can click away to clear the selection and repeat the process until you're confident you have the right group of completed tasks selected. With your tasks selected, it's time to delete them. Move your cursor anywhere within the highlighted area and right-click. A context menu will appear with several options related to your tasks. From this menu, choose Delete Tasks. When you select this option, Microsoft To Do will remove all of the highlighted completed tasks at once. Depending on your system settings, you may be asked to confirm that you really want to delete multiple tasks. If a confirmation prompt appears, review it briefly to make sure it matches what you intend to do, then confirm the deletion. Once you've done that, those completed tasks will be permanently removed from the list and your completed section should now look much cleaner. That's all there is to it. By expanding your completed tasks using the Shift-click selection method and then choosing Delete Tasks from the right-click menu, you can quickly bulk delete completed items and keep your Microsoft To Do lists organized and manageable.